how to use Google Maps offline. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following tutorial, I'll show you guys how can you use Google Map offline. To use Google Map offline, make sure that the application is updated first of all. Now there isn't a direct way, but you could actually download the map offline. So what you need to do is you want to open up the maps first of all. Here it is, and after you do it so, what you want to do is make sure to go ahead and locate the particular area or particular position of the map that you want to download it so. Then you want to click the initials from the top right hand side corner of your screen. So when you see this pop-up menu, you can see offline maps, right? So you want to click on select your own map, and then you want to go ahead and zoom it out. What part of the map that you want to zoom it, what part of a map that you want it offline or that you want to download it. So I will just go with this one just for this, and when I've done it so, click the download button, and once you've done it so, you could now use the map. So in order to access this, you want to make sure to go to the maps once again, and then you want to go ahead and click on the downloaded maps, or you could just go ahead and click on the initials from the top right as I've showed it earlier, and click on maps, and there you could go ahead and access your Google Maps offline. So that is the way you could use it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.